Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Vivo Y20. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you have to go on your device settings section. After click over there, you scroll down and then you're going to find here system management. Here you're going to see date and time. After click over there, we will see if I'm going to say date and time, it is invisible. So you can't click this. So if you want to set date and time manually, you have to turn this off, and after that, that's going to give you option to set your preferred date, set your preferred time. You can make it, and then you can see, let me go back and let me see, you can see my phone completely change date and time. So this is how you can easily change date and time in your Vivo Y20. But I will always suggest you to make auto update. What that means if you are in Dubai and you want to London, your phone automatically going to be catch with the GPS, and that's going to be give you that currently country you are, that city you are, that time. So what you have to do, you have to go in your device settings section and then system management, date and time, and you can turn this on. So this is how we can easily customize or change date and time in your Vivo Y20. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.